Hi there, Escambia County Public School teachers. Have you ever found yourself wondering if there's one place that you could view any edit that's been made to your grade book? Well, if you were wondering, go ahead and join your Student Data Systems team as we give you a Byte of Tech and go through your Grade Book Audit Trail report in focus. Let's dive in. From that portal screen, go to your sidebar menu, choose Reports, choose Grades, and then you're going to click on Grade Book Reports. Now when this screen appears, you see all these different reports that you have the option to run, but we're going to click that Grade Book Audit Trail. And then we're going to come to the top because we need to choose a time frame. So we're going to use the drop down, and we could switch it to October if we wanted to do that, and can switch the year from these drop downs, or you could use your calendar search option that's available for you here. You could also click Include NG Grade Changes, and when you do, that screen is going to automatically update. Now, I do want to caution you that the NG grade changes can make your report a little bit longer. If you look, mine shows 571 changes for students. That's because I did include the NG grade change. And remember, all grades enter in as an NG unless you automatically fill. Now, if you look across the top, you're going to see columns and those titles for the columns. Anytime you click on a title, it's going to organize your search based on the title. So you could filter by assignment titles, changes made, new grades if you wanted to do that, the student, or the user who made the changes in the gradebook. Now remember, if you choose a different class, you're going to stay on this screen. And then another reminder, if you want to change your time frame, click that calendar, move through quickly, choose your new date, and then always click Update. And remember, anytime you want to filter a column, click on that title and it will group it for you. Now you've looked at your Gradebook Audit Trail report in focus. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended video that's here on the side, because that is a Byte of Tech.